Hello, Namaste. Welcome to Sangeeta's Food Paradise. I hope you all are enjoying my video. उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सबको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लग रहा है. Today I'm making a healthy salad recipe which is simple, quick, easy and tasty. Our elders and our children all can have it. So do try it, watch the video till the end and please try it. So let's make salad. Let us see the ingredients required to make a healthy salad. I have taken lettuce, cherry tomatoes, yellow capsicum, zucchini and salad cheese. I have taken olive oil also. Then mix herbs you can get in any stores. I have taken black pepper also. So now let us start to make salad. First of all, we have to chop zucchini, capsicum, tomato and lettuce to make a salad. Then we have to add in a bowl all the chopped vegetables. I'm adding zucchini. First you have to wash it nicely and then cut. Then I'm adding now cherry tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes you can make half. Then I'm adding yellow capsicum. You can take any color capsicum. Now I am adding lettuce leaf. This is also finely chopped. Now mix herbs. Mix herbs I'm adding. You can add about a quarter spoon of mixed herbs. It tastes very well. Now pepper, black pepper also. Then olive oil, about 1 to 2 tablespoon of olive oil I'm adding. Now let us add lemon, half lemon. First you have to remove the seeds and then squeeze the lemon. It gives a very good taste to the salad. Now black salt, I'm adding black salt. This is optional. This is salad cheese I'm adding for my children only because they love cheese. So for them cheese, it's optional. Now mix gently, mix well. Your salad is ready to eat. It is very healthy, easy, quick. So do try this salad. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please like it and share with your friends and family. And if anyone haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. Thank you so much. Dhanyavad. Take care. Bye.